Ready with me to get my new Douglas puppy. Here's the veggies and here's the food. Whoa. So we're okay. This is technically made out of Play-Doh. And he's gonna have bad eyesight. And you're gonna pick out some things for him. Let's go on. So I have a kitten that doesn't play with some toys. And here is this Lammy that I think that will be so cute for him. Oh. So this is gonna be his toy slash my kitten's. So let's put that there. Now let's find a blanket for him. Okay. I found the blanket, I'll show you. Here's the blanket. He's gonna have eye issues, so there's gonna have to be some very light things on there. Find a bowl with me. There are no bowls. I guess we have to use the glass ones. I have something. This would be good. Thank you for getting ready with me.